This is a your space? I'm one of the members of the space, yeah. It's just like a it's a maker space. Yeah. Cool. Oh, thank you. What was that? There's water bridge also. All right. Usually what I do. Trying to read it on the DVD. Or sorry, yeah, no, DVD. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's like basically it is for like you can use it. I think it's I don't know, but it sounds interesting. Um, yeah, yeah. And like I don't know a lot of this. It's a, I know a lot about SQL. But yeah. And so DUCK. Okay. Okay. Nice. Oh. How's that going so far? That's not fun. Yeah, so I forgot to respond to your text about this workshops. I'll let you know if we decide to do workshops. We can vote in a while. Or you just said that would be interesting. Yeah. Workshop, right? Yeah. We haven't done this in a while. So do you have like agenda? Hey, which ideas? Yeah. Yeah, that'd be helpful. Do it for example, since example we July third, what are you looking on? Just a simple That's that. You come to a person before, right? Yeah. That's okay. Yeah. Yeah. So what? Remind me what you're studying. Nice. So we're just less fun. Like, where are you doing the program? So, where are you doing the program for the level organization? Or they just My Mac stopped working the other day. The N key stopped pressing, and I have no idea what happened. The N key just doesn't work at all. And for a while, I was frantically trying to press it really hard or hitting it hard, and it made it worse. And I gave up. I left my phone on the bus on Tuesday too. I've had so many technology problems. I just found out today they have it, so I can go pick it up tomorrow. But I have to get there before 4 or 4:30. Yeah, that is good at getting it back.
Yeah.
Because I don't own it. It's like through a contract and it's insured and everything.
Mine's got some sick double scars.
Oh, yeah.
Technically works.
Is that an LG?
It's a Pixel.
Oh, it's a Pixel. Okay, nice.
15%.
You're making the back of glass at the time?
Yeah.
What kind of Pixel is that?
To Google. Not sure what the
Okay.
generations are.
That's a really grand over here.
Sound good.
That's good.
How's it thing going over there?
It's fine.
Have you been to these before?
I'm one of the volunteers.
Oh, so probably yes.
Quite a few years.
How do these normally go?
The programming is sort of more of an open ended sort of deal, so it's like there's no agenda or talk. So it's kind of like if people have got questions, they can kind of throw it up to the group and things can happen. Or sometimes we just have discussions. Sometimes it gets really awkward by a whole mix of words. Have you been to any of the other conferences?
Exactly 0. Well, other than this, I've been here. That's it.
Yeah, this one's fun. There's like usually like 3 days a month in different locations and stuff. And then usually every month there's also one talk night.
Yeah. So a friend of mine actually gave a talk a couple months ago.
Yeah, those ones are really fun. So usually the most people have get really interesting discussions.
I would have come for that. I just happened to be out of town for that first talk. So.
Well, it happens every month, so it's all right.
Yeah. Well, I think his case is worked out Ireland. So.
Oh no, so you won't hear it again.
I probably would never see. Nice guy. Former coworker.
Yeah, they're fun. The talks can be like, I don't know, super Python specific, or like, kind of a project that Python specific.
His teams seem to be recording some various things. Yes.
My favorite talk, there's a person who's presenting, they had created a file format specifically for saving crossword puzzles, like the structure, the prompts, and the answers. And by creating that and then consuming historical crossword puzzle data, they were able to like uncover this like plagiarism conspiracy where people had been publishing in newspapers other people's crossword puzzles but only slightly modified because they could see the diffs.
You can get away with that for a long time.
Yeah.
Like easy.
So it was super cool. And Python is in there somewhere, but I don't know where.
Diffing the crosswords.
Yes, definitely. Do you work with Python or just play with it?
Work with it. Among other ones. Yeah. But yes, Python.
Okay, cool.
I was working with it, but I moved here a few months ago.
Oh,
I didn't want to keep me remote, so
that's
trying to get closer to family and stuff.
yeah.
So I'm getting hooked in with this puppy thing.
Oh yeah. It's definitely very good.
It's a place to meet people and stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely good for the talking mix. That's kind of the most people most probably started meeting folks and all that.
Well, I started here. So I had to figure it out.
Mm.
Bring stuff.
Oh,
Oh,
a little bit. But never.
Yeah, I do. Mostly PostgreSQL. Yeah. And in Django, that's like my familiarity with
Can
it.
you just sit down and
Oh yeah, definitely. Here, take this chair. Okay. Oh, you're welcome to set this side too, if you like.
oh okay, cool.
Yeah. Hi. Remind me your name?
Jara.
Jara. Okay. I'm Charlotte. Nice to meet you.
And yours?
Charlotte.
Charlotte, nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Oh,
Um.
I just wanna
Okay.
take a look how it works.
My
Yeah.
database.
How you retrieve your data from there, how you
I
query
can
it.
show you. So for the database. Um.
Is it terminal?
Yeah, this is a terminal.
How do you configure a terminal with your database?
The database is, or the terminal is through Linode, which is the virtual computer. But this is like all I do to set up a database. I just run these commands in PostgreSQL and Bash. So to get to run fast, I set the max connections to 50,000, which is plenty. And then I have Django DB managed cursors, which manages those cursors and recycles them.
But I mean, can't you just use your Postgres there and just retrieve all of the data over there? Because I'm not comfortable using terminal to retrieve the data. I just do it in my SQL application. So
Oh, I
just
don't
want-
actually know how to do that. I only use terminal for database at the moment. Yeah.
Alright.
What are you trying to do with the database?
I was like a data analyst and I was retrieving some data to do analysis. But I was every time was doing it through the app. And the app with the workbench.
MySQL Workbench.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I wasn't using it together with the terminal. And then my friends who are software engineers, they're like, you can just do it in terminal. And I was like, I completely have no idea how to do it on terminal. But it was like kind of giving me some headache.
Okay, yeah. This is pretty much how I do it. Sudo -u Postgres psql capital U Postgres -c, and then I can just run any command against the database.
So you like just do it in your Postgres and then just open terminal and write it there?
Yeah, and then so when I'm loading data in the terminal, it looks like so if I go to the shell, I can get a chat message dot objects dot all, and all I have to do is call like a query like that chat message dot objects dot all to retrieve it, and I can get the last one, for example, and then I can get it dot message, the message in it, or dot vendor, and that's me, and I think the user is just me
Can you
too.
just group by, for example, by some sort of column? Group by the user and retrieve the
Oh yeah,
records?
definitely. So if you filter user ID equals 2, this will just be my messages.
You're writing in Python, right?
Yeah, this is all in Python.
But can you write it in SQL in here?
Yeah, it converts to SQL, so it runs SQL on the inside, but it's just writing Python. Django is like an easier way to use SQL and Python that comes with full stack tools. So I also have it set up so it can build this little website for me, and then the chat